Hey, Jeremy here from LATT SEO. In this video, I'm walking through an audit I did for a prospect to share with them a number of different elements that can be improved and cleaned up on their site from an SEO perspective to help them generate more organic traffic, rank better, and likely generate more revenue as well. Let's get into it.
Let's look at your site data, some keyword data, and then figure out what needs to be done for you. So first thing is this tool here called Ahrefs. And I realize you are the marketing website manager, so you may be familiar with these tools and these data points and elements here, but I like to just go through and make sure we're on the same page as I'm giving definitions here. So first thing to look at here that I like to do is referring domains. And a referring domain, if you're unfamiliar, is a unique instance of a different website on the internet linking to you. And the reason I look at these is because Google does. And Google views referring domains as votes of confidence or trust signals. So you want to have more trustworthy, high-powered referring domains or links to your site. Secondly, DR or domain rating basically gives us an idea as to how strong a site is, then a 0 to 100 scale, and lets us know, like I said, the strength of the site relative to competitors, but also how complex or difficult keywords are going to be to rank for. So all that being said, let's look at your keyword chart here. And I want to look at that here in a second, but this chart here shows all keywords and phrases your site ranks for. You can see 14,058. And you've probably done a bunch of research and data dumps and looked at keywords and all that type of stuff. So that all of that being said, I like to look through here and look for opportunities that would make sense to optimize for and rank for. Something as broad as purse, even though there's 62,000 searches per month, just doesn't make sense from an ROI perspective because it's not a very highly converting term. Sure, there's going to be some percentage of these people who buy or are looking for a person that end up making a purchase. But I like to look for something that is a little bit more specific and a little bit less competitive, at least initially. Obviously, we can work to optimize for and rank for anything. So if we look at laptop bag, the other opportunity here is laptop backpack, but the one I want to look at here is laptop bag. And the reason for that is 25,000 people search this every month. You're at 98, so you're getting zero traffic from this phrase. As a quick side note though, we look at the all keyword data related to laptop bag. There's almost 15,000 keywords here. So this chart here now shows all keywords and phrases that have laptop bag somewhere in them, 14,985. Monthly search volume, 197,000. Global search volume, 839,000. So massive opportunity here. Now, some of these, probably the majority of them, are irrelevant and wouldn't make sense, like Coach or Kate Spade or Gucci or any of these other Louis Vuitton. Any of those ones don't make any sense, obviously, unless you decide to carry that product. But if we could do other filtering here and look for leather or laptop bag or for men or women or whatever. Still, the point is there's way more opportunity than just this one phrase, laptop bag, to work to optimize for. All that being said, let's look at the search results here and see who's ranking, what they're doing, and then what we need to do to beat them. So now, this chart here shows all sites ranking for the key phrase laptop bag. And if the first thing I want to do is look at the DR column here to see, does it even make sense to compete for this key phrase based on your DR of 63, which is relatively strong, by the way. So we have Toomey, 74, Timbuktu, 71, Amazon, 96, Walmart, 91, Low & Sons, 60, Vera Bradley, 72, and then Tombin at 62. So you are in the range to compete for this key phrase. Absolutely something that you could be ranking way better for. Now, what else needs to be done? What else should be done for you? Let's look at your actual page here. A couple items to look at. If I do a view page source here, my video is going to disappear because it doesn't show with the code screen. But this now we're looking at is the code of this page that Google sees. And if I do a search for title to find where the title is, your title for this page is Duluth Pack laptop bags. So it's very short. You're not getting in any additional keywords or phrases that you can also rank for, like I mentioned to you before. So that is one huge opportunity from a rankings perspective. Next thing is if we look at the description is holds all the essentials you need plus a laptop. So again, description is too short and description does not have the keyword or even an opportunity or even a partial match is what I'm looking for. Partial match of the keyword. So you just have laptop. You don't have laptop bag or bag for a laptop or any of that type of stuff. So huge opportunity for the description as well. Now, other things to look at then would be the page itself in terms of other optimization factors and content. This is very likely an H1. Let me just confirm. H1. So that is good to have laptop bag or laptop bags as an H1, but you have no additional content on this page explaining why somebody would want to buy a laptop bag from you. And in some cases, you don't need that. For competitive terms, having information on this page explaining a little bit about a laptop bag, maybe a quick buying guide, how to find the best laptop bag, the differences between an over the shoulder or a handheld or handles, or I don't know exactly what they would be called, but I think you get the point. So having that additional content there not only makes it so that your page is built out further with additional content, but makes it easier for Google to understand what your page is about and makes it easier for you to rank for some of those additional keywords where we can start to really drive significant amount of traffic to the site.
Hope you got some value from that video. If you did, subscribe to my channel. It would help me out. I'd appreciate it. And if you're looking for help with your SEO, fill out the contact form in the description or in the comment section of the video here. And I'll take a look at your website, your details, and see how I can best help you improve your organic SEO, generate more traffic, and improve your revenue as well.